How do you feel when you see this? Does it make you feel happy? Oh. Does it make you feel sad? Or did you want to squeeze or bite what you're witnessing?
Gosh, stop. I just want to eat it.
Pick it up and then I just want to throw it on the ground and kick it because it's so cute.
Oh my God.
So cute, because I don't want to hurt them, so I'll just like hug my pillow or something.
Yeah. Perhaps we need a little bit of context to fully understand what we're talking about. Have you ever felt so happy that you actually started crying? Or maybe you went to a funeral and you started laughing? Or maybe you even saw your favourite celebrity out in public and you screamed in horror. These bizarre human reactions actually have a name. We call them dimorphous expressions. In simple terms, dimorphous expressions are a quirky way our brain manages intense emotions. So, to deal with these overwhelming feelings, your brain makes you do the opposite, like shedding tears when you're bursting with joy. But let's look at these expressions within a different context, the context of cuteness. We all take pictures of cute things, right? Our cats, our dogs, our babies, anything small or endearing. But some folks might want to squish something so hard that it actually hurts not to. While some might see something so cute that they just want to take a bite out of it, others might pull that face, frown and go, "Aw." Reactions vary, but one thing is for sure, cute sadness and cute aggression are very real. But why do we exhibit these behaviours? I spoke to Professor Oriana Aragnor, a social psychologist, researcher and PhD graduate from Yale University, who specialises her study in the expression of emotion.
And the reason why is because they deliver very specific information about how that person is about to behave or how they're feeling on the inside. We call these motivational orientations. Humans are constantly trying to navigate one another, and we're sending all these social signals through our smiles, through our body posture, through all these different facial expressions. So you can imagine how, especially in the presence of a baby, where it's really important to understand how people are going to interact with your child, how these things might have developed over time, how we might have evolved to have these tendencies.
But a question I wanted to explore was whether cuteness is actually subjective. Turns out it's not. There are universal traits that humans are more triggered to respond to. For example, a small chin, big forehead and big eyes are just a few features that are deemed to be cuter than others. But why do we find these traits so cute?
We've sort of co-evolved. I mean, the features that the baby has, triggers us to want to care and nurture and pay attention to it. And then those that have the stronger features that we're responding to, they survive better than the ones that don't. And then we're giving best attention to. So optimal, sort of rearing experiences seem to be happening when these things are going together. It really is about those features signal infancy. So in us, in our humanness, we see these features and it's so encoded in us that when we see this feature, it's infant, we need to take care of it, protect it, nourish it, feed it, love it, attend to it. And that's for the survival of us. So they do believe that's definitely evolutionarily conserved.
Strange, right? So next time you feel that uncontrollable urge to squeeze an adorable puppy, just remember, it's not your fault. Blame it on evolution and your brain's attempt to cope.